you doing?
Cutting this potato. It won't stop moving. Look, it's all round like me. Look at this. And it's a chef knife. Yeah, chef knife, you said.
Yeah.
Look at this, all chueco. Can't even cut it.
Wait, what's going on with this finger deal right here?
It balances, look.
No,
See?
no.
Angle.
Here, let me show you. Cool. All right. So remember what I was making fun of your finger? Check it out. Look at how unstable that knife is. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna pinch it right here. There you go. Look at that stable knife. So next, now that we got our knife down, we got a potato. Obviously, it's round. It's gonna roll around. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna cut a little slice off of it and give yourself a flat surface. There you go. It's not rolling around now. Next, very important so you don't cut your fingers. You're gonna wanna bend your tips. This is called the cat paw. So see, there's your knuckles are sticking out, your tips are under. You're gonna put the knife up against your knuckle. Look at that. As long as the knife does not leave your knuckle, you will never cut yourself. So next, we'll apply it. Flat side down, cat paw, knife against your knuckle, and you'll slice down. Look at that. It's not sliding around or anything. Look at that. And you're gonna wanna make sure and use the full knife. Remember, the whole blade is sharp. So you don't wanna just use the tip, the back part. You'll start with the tip and you'll slice through. Look at that. You see all the potato starch? I use the full knife to cut. You have any questions? You good?
Yeah, I don't have any questions. Let me see. Man, this is papitas. I got this. I could do this all day.
Nice.
Mira, potato starch. Man, that's nice. Ralph?